Oh my god, guys, our bread wrap is ready. It looks so delicious, and I can't wait to dig in. Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today, and what are you doing to keep safe? If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can know whenever we put out new content. Today we'll be teaching you how to make egg and tuna bread wraps with an air fryer. So guys, that was me grocery shopping. Please comment down below if you think that shopping can be sometimes tedious.